welcome back to Ritual. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to secure a PS5 on Black Friday. So I'm going to show you guys the websites. I'm going to provide you links in the description below of where to actually go to secure your PS5 for Black Friday. So hope you enjoy. I'm going to get right short to the point so you guys can secure this PS5. I was lucky enough to get one from actually an Air Force base. So if you're active duty, or you're a veteran, or you're a reservist, check your local military installations. They may have one at AFES as well as a PX or a BX. So, but if you're not a military member, these are the websites you need to go to. My channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, money, financial tips, and lately I've been doing some gaming videos. So matter of fact, I did a video on the unboxing of the Xbox Series X. You can click up here if you want to watch that video, but most importantly, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post more videos. Also, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button right now. But with that being said, now let's get into the video. So today, PlayStation sent out a tweet early this morning saying, "We want to thank gamers everywhere for making the PS5 launch our biggest console launch ever. Demand for the PS5 is unprecedented. So we wanted to confirm that more PS5 inventory will be coming to retailers before the end of the year. Please stay in touch with your local retailers." Alright, so Walmart has been fairly consistent with the PS5 retails, with stocking up. They've been doing it consistently throughout like different times of the day. But far as Black Friday, they will be releasing the PS5 for Black Friday event Eastern Standard Time at 9 p.m. on November 25th, 2020, which is today. So if you're trying to secure a PS5, get ready. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, November 25th, 2020. The Black Friday event is starting early. So the original restock was set for 7 p.m., but they changed it to 9 p.m. Eastern Time today. Right there, you see it, plain sight. So be ready. If you're trying to get a PS5, be ready to go on Walmart. I heard they really uploaded a lot of stock. So that's your best chance of getting a PS5 for Black Friday. Walmart.com. I'll leave the link below in the description of this video. But yeah, Walmart.com, 9 p.m. Eastern, today, Wednesday, November 2020. This is the Black Friday sale. They're going to have the digital version. They're going to have as well as the disc and everything else. So be ready. Now, GameStop, we know that's the premier gaming retailer for all games, but it's been hard to get a PS5 at GameStop. Hard for everybody. And they've been doing it periodically, just uploading as stock as they've been getting it. But for Black Friday, they confirm all stores will have a minimum of 2 PlayStation 5s and 2 Xbox Series X consoles at the store opening. But this video is about PlayStation 5. So GameStop has confirmed they will have a minimum of 2 PlayStation 5s at the opening on November 27th, 2020. But also, they are continuously uploading stock throughout the days this entire week for Black Friday online, GameStop online. So you have to continuously sign up for the email alerts. They're emailing everybody alerts when they're going live. As of this video, they were actually doing Xbox Series X releases too. All right, so Amazon, they like to do surprise drops. So it's kind of hard to say when they're gonna go live, but they've been doing surprise drops throughout this entire time. Now, what I will say right now, they're saying on their website that the PS5 stock is kind of like unknown, and they don't really know when they're going to get any more back. So just be aware of that. Direct, they're selling PS5s, but it's really hard to even get one, and they're not doing any Black Friday specials. So just FYI. Now, Best Buy had stock on November 22nd, this past Sunday, and they were sold out immediately. So Best Buy, they're going to be doing online for the rest of the year, but it's going to be hard to get. But you just have to keep checking Best Buy every single day for the rest of the year, online only, no stores. Now let's talk about Target. Last and final. bad news here. Doesn't look like Target's gonna get any stock this week of Black Friday. They list some weekly ads of next game peripherals and like the controllers, but they didn't mention the consoles at all. So you can check PS5 stock levels on their website Target app. On the app, it says if they have any, you have to do pickup only. So, but like I said, the word on the street is that they're not going to have any stock for Black Friday. So just FYI. So in short, looks like your best bet more than likely is going to be Walmart here. Walmart, GameStop, and possibly PlayStation Direct. But PlayStation Direct is hard to get. So your best bet here, Walmart, GameStop. Hope that helps.